Hey, hi guys, my name is Fred Maloney, and today I'm gonna speak to you guys on whether you need a website or not. Okay, so here this is actually my website. Home Thoughts. I don't know whether I have shown you guys or not, or whether I can give you all any tour in my website. Let me just share with you guys what you are able to do with your website. Alright, sorry, I just need to get the blinds on. Alright, great, it's better. So here are actually a few links where it links to my Amazon account, my Facebook account, and all the different things like about us, features, home, stores. And then here are actually the sidebar. This is optimized by me. I created it because I wanted to have a one scroll website. When you actually go down, you can see all the different things about us, and when you actually click on the top button, you can go back up to the main page. So my Amazon account is pretty much currently unavailable. So my Facebook account is gone because I deleted it. And then here you can actually see, pretty much this is my website. When you go down, you can see the about us. You can see all these little writings and stuff like that. I've done all the copywriting for the whole of my website. All these keywords are pretty much found in using a keyword finder, so I'm able to optimize my page to get more views even when I'm typing things like that. So Google is able to scroll out all my information and put it into the rankings for the different page rankings. Next, here is actually the store, where you can see the source dish, the image, the price, and then when you click on view more, you're able to see what is inside there. So pretty much here all these writings are done, all these copywritings, value adding to all the different guests, people they are buying. We give them ideas on how they are able to do it. And then here there's a pop-up of a subscribe where you can actually get promotion code when you subscribe to us. You get a name, you get an email, and then you subscribe to the newsletter. Immediately you will receive an email in regards to getting a discount coupons and stuff like that. So next is pretty much the images of the things, where you will see that pretty much here featured products. When you click into it, it's the same page just now. When you open up this, you're able to see all the different sauce dish, where you will see the images, you will see how it looks like, what you can use. I put fruits, I put soya sauce, I put different things to let my clients, they all know that, hey, this is what you can do, how deep is it, how much you have to put in, and pretty much you get a clear understanding of what you're buying and stuff. Okay, so give them as much information in photo because they are able to view it and they are able to imagine what they are able to use it for. And of course they want to buy something. Pretty much people will try to imagine what they are able to use it. As long as it values add or it fits their thinking, they will actually purchase it, right? So we can see the bestseller, we can get in touch, and then of course we get the share things where people are able to share in your social media platforms. So all these things are using plugins, using other different things. You can see the copyrights, the emails, the website, the Amazon, all the different social media accounts that I'm using. Pretty much this is a website. What you're able to use is, some people use it for them to sell products. Like they are able to sell their products, they get a login page, they got a member page, then they are able to sell all these clients. And then some people put it as an information, like what I'm doing here. We are just providing informations to our clients to let them understand that, hey, when you actually see all this product, you can actually make a purchase. How much information that we are giving, we are going to give them whatever that they need. We can even come up with video contents to show them how we use it and stuff like that. So once you're able to do information things like that, you're able to actually sell the product more easily using the platform like Amazon and stuff. So I even get they can just click on it and they just go directly to the product page on my Amazon account itself. So when you're using a website, you're able to actually get in more traffics. You're able to get in more, people understanding how you're going to sell your products, how your products is, you're giving out information. You're even able to get the information of your customers, like for example, just now I got the name and the emails. You're even able to get other things like phone numbers, their address and stuff like that. So pretty much this is how a website is going to help you. Do look at the website as a digital storefront, because a digital storefront now in the website will meaning that you actually own the website. You're actually telling people, like for example, like Home Thoughts. Nobody will know Home Thoughts because I don't have any retail store, and renting a retail store is crazily expensive. Like for example, I think I went on to find out back in 2016, I was actually offered around $3,000 per month just to rent a storefront to sell product. But I only got that one product. Why would I want a storefront? So that's where I go into a digital store and then I start selling my products. It's way much cheaper hosting on the digital store itself. Not just that, I can actually do my Facebook ads, my Google ads, I can do my optimizing of my keywords. Whatever that whatever words that I have here is actually optimized using a keyword finder. I'll talk to you guys more about this in the later episode. So pretty much, do you think you need a website? You gotta ask yourself that. A website can just go beyond what you're able to do now in a retail store. You're able to sell products, you're able to let customer pay online, you're able to get their information, you're able to share information through the digital web store itself. You can show videos, image, how you can use them, how to use them, and all these different things. You're able to actually cultivate all these ideas to your customers and stuff. And therefore, it makes the customer want to buy more from you. Alright, so I've shared with you whether you need a website or not, how can you use the website. And my name is Forever Looney. I'll see you guys on the next video. Hey, hi guys, my name is Forever Looney. Thank you so much for watching this video, alright? If you feel that you enjoy this video, okay, please do me a favor by liking and subscribing to my channel, okay? Share with your friends on Facebook, I'm gonna put out all these videos every social media accounts that I have, alright? Like this video, share with your friends. I hope that you guys can actually find a direction in your life. If you want to be happy, just be happy. I'll see you guys on the next video.